It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here to simplify expressions using the power of powers property. So we have 3 examples here that we're going to work through, and we're going to start by looking at our first. So we're going to notice that we have b cubed to the power of 5. This is the power to the power. We have something inside of a parenthesis raised to an exponent. So we use this rule when we have this situation. And the rule is that we look at the exponents and we multiply them. This becomes b to the power of 15. The reason this works is because it's like saying that we have b times b times b, right? That's b to the cubed. And then we do it 5 times. So we would have this over and over and over 5 times. And what we know from the product of powers rule is that the way we add these together, or the way that we get the new exponent, is we add the exponents together. And in the case, all the exponents are 1, and there's 15 of them. That's why this rule works. All right, let's move to our second example. We're going to notice this one looks the same, but has a negative exponent right here. So we do the same thing. We multiply our exponents 4 and negative 2 together. We have z to the power of negative 8. Now, most textbooks and most teachers will want you to write negative exponents as positives whenever possible. The way that we do that is we change the location of the base and the negative exponent within our expression. And the way we do that is if we have a negative exponent tied to a base in the numerator, we shift that to the denominator and it makes the exponent positive. So this in a positive form would be 1 divided by z to the power of 8. This is the best answer. I do have another video about working with negative exponents and making them positive. So if this is challenging, maybe check that out for a little more practice and instruction. And finally, our third example, we have 4 to the power of negative 3 to the power of negative 9. Again, it's power on power. We have a base and an exponent, all of which is raised to the next exponent, and we multiply our exponents. We take negative 3 and we multiply it by negative 9, and we get positive 27. 4 to the power of 27 is a huge number. Even though we could multiply this out, it would be ridiculous to do so. So this is the best number because of its sheer size. And that is all. This is how you apply the power of a power property to simplify exponential expressions. Make sure to subscribe for more math instruction. Till next time, remember, you've got this.